Hey, it's Rusty. Thanks for tuning in to Burning Cereal. What I have for you today is something, if you're from Australia, you've probably heard of it before. If you're from the US, you've probably never heard of it before, or just recently. It's called chicken salt. And it's an iconic seasoning from Australia. Here in the US, we don't really know of it. Our most iconic seasoning salt will be like Lowry's or something like that. But this is a huge staple in Australia. So the spices that we're gonna need to make this are chicken bouillon. Unfortunately, I could only find like a keg of it. I couldn't find a smaller container, but some chicken bouillon, garlic powder, paprika. We're gonna use 3 tablespoons of each one of these. We're also gonna use some onion powder, white pepper, turmeric, and this is for color. We're gonna use this at the end, but we're gonna look at it and see how the color is. It's not gonna really change the taste at all. It's really just for color. And then some celery salt. We also have some fine sea salt, and of these ingredients, we're gonna use 1.5 tablespoons. Salt-wise, there's a lot of salt in this chicken bouillon, and there's salt here. So I'm only gonna add a tablespoon of this. We can always add more later, but I don't wanna make it too salty. So I'm thinking that maybe just a tablespoon of fine sea salt will work. You don't wanna use kosher, you don't want to use like flake salt. You want to use a fine sea salt. Table salt's not going to work either. The like iodized salt, you want to use fine sea salt. But we're going to throw all this together, and it's going to be as easy as So let's give this a try. Let's find one that's got quite a bit on it. Okay, it's really good. You can taste the flavors in there. I'll be honest though, it tastes a lot like Lowry's seasoning salt. So let's try and make our own, but make it better. All right, so I just got one of these shaker containers. I actually have a bunch of them for other spices that I've made. So I'm just gonna pour everything into here. I can mix it in this a little funnel. So first things first, the chicken bouillon. Then the garlic. Paprika, salt, our white pepper, onion powder, celery salt, and let's look at it real fast. See how the color is before we add the turmeric. I do think it needs some turmeric, so let's drop that in there. And that's it. All right, so let's do a little color comparison between the two. I can already tell mine is a little bit darker. So chicken salt, and the homemade version. Yeah, there's definitely a color difference between the two. The one in the square container is mine. The one in the round container is the store-bought. So, quick little taste comparison. This one is mine. It's pretty good. It's got a much deeper chicken flavor than I would have assumed. Tasting them side by side, this one is way saltier. And I don't know if I like that or not. Just on my finger between the two, I think this one does taste better. I think the homemade version does taste a little bit better. But let's get the homemade version on some French fries, just like we tried this earlier. All right, so we have another batch of fries or chips right out of our air fryer. Let's go ahead and dust them a little bit. All right, so here they are together. Again, the store-bought spices on this side, homemade on this side. Again, you can totally see the difference in color. This one is much more yellow than the homemade, but let's give it a try. Like I said earlier, the homemade version has a much more chicken flavor, as to where the store-bought or the Mitani has a much more salt flavor. Between the two, I would think that this would be better on, at least on fries. I haven't tried it on chicken yet, but this one just tastes more like a seasoning, as to where this just tastes more like salt. Not that it's not good. It is very good. I just think that this one tastes a little bit better. So, cost breakdown between the two. Bought this on Amazon. It's 200 grams. That's roughly 7 ounces. $11.84 US. I added up the cost of all the spices that I used by the ounce. This created about 3.5 ounces, which is half of this. So this cost me $1.66. Half of this would have been $6. This was $1.66. Money factor, way better deal making it yourself. Taste, again, I think this wound up tasting a little bit better. Give it a try for yourself though. Make it at home. It's super easy. You saw how easy it was. The spices you probably already have in your cabinet already. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Give us a like. Throw some comments down below. Tell us if you've made this, if you've tried this. Have you ever heard of this before? I appreciate you. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.